So hello today, this is Martin from MIPRO Germany. I just want to give you a short overview of our new product here. MIPRO just updated its 800 series digital wireless system. It was supposed to be working with 16 simultaneously channels before, but now we just increased the bandwidth to 72 megahertz, and it's now possible to use up to 48 channels simultaneously. If you're looking at the 800 series, we also have a look at a TA-80, which is a plug-on transmitter, which is covering also supplying 48 phantom power volt. And of course, the new MIPRO MM100 measuring mic. Together with the 800 series, it is intended to use wirelessly for measuring some PA systems or something like that in big venues or halls. So you can easily set up a measurement system without using any cables. So that's the brand new from MIPRO. If you want to have some more news for the product, you can just look it up at www.mipro.com.tv for Taiwan. So thank you for giving you a short overview.